Legal aspects of energy cooperation are perceived as complex, and they may slow down or discourage your project. The ACES Legal Decision Support Tool is designed to lower the legal barriers in energy cooperation. The contract generator helps you to draft a contract for the transaction of energy between suppliers and customers. The contract template on the left-hand side is accompanied by a user guide on the right-hand side of your screen, which provides an explanation to the various articles and clauses in the contract template. This is especially useful when you have to choose between the various options in the clauses. For example, for the energy price, you can select either a fixed price, an indexed price, or you can choose to set periodically. And the user guide provides an explanation to the three options. Once you've completed all the articles in the contract generator, and after you've agreed to our legal notice, you can click on the Generate Contract button, and all your options are stored in a Word file. Click the Download button, and your contract is downloaded to your computer. After that, you can further modify the contract to your needs. If you want to know more about the legal context in Europe, we've included a guide to EU law in the download section of the page. And finally, if you have questions about the tool, head over to the questions and answers section. Complete the form and we will get back to you as soon as possible.